The antimicrobial glove is a game-changing healthcare innovation that helps to prevent contamination and transmission of pathogens in healthcare settings.
The way that the product works is entirely different from conventional infection control agents, and the success of that kind of product against resistant bacteria is particularly interesting.
I'd describe the product as efficient because it uses light and air to make biocides. I'd describe it as environmentally friendly because it doesn't release any biocidal materials or toxic materials to the environment. And I'd describe it as easy to use. It's a very easy to use product. You use it just like a normal glove. There are no additional requirements for it.
So we've completed a usability study where we've shown the gloves to members of staff. They've tried using them, and really they found them identical to their existing gloves.
It was fabulous to see that 100% kill under the microscope. Was just brilliant, and we were very excited when we finally got the results.
This technology is leading the world.
The antimicrobial technology is designed as such where it is easily added into the existing glove production process, making the product very affordable and accessible to the market.
It's certainly innovative, it's certainly extremely interesting. We've seen evidence that they kill bacteria.
Potentially, it could be globally used, so watch this space.
This unprecedented innovation is able to reduce the spread of infection and cross-contamination in hospitals, thus revolutionizing an aspect of medical care that has previously been overlooked.